Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Rosie O. In this video, I'm going to share with you this texture doily I made. It's very pretty, small, easy to do. It only took me 2 days. It measures 10 inches or almost 26 centimeters approximately. This is a free pattern from the designer Vishiv Pasala. I'm going to give you the information if you want to download it for free on her website. I used thread 10 and 1.65 millimeter hook. Let me show you a close-up. The edging, the leaves, the center. This is what it looks like on the reverse. It's very pretty. I hope you get inspired. Like I told you, it only took me 2 days. It's fast. I love the design. The explanations on the pattern were easy to follow. The way the pattern is worked, it makes it look like it's made in 2 parts. The star and the leaves with the fans, like it's 2 pieces. And I didn't like that on my doily. So I went ahead and added a few stitches. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I follow her pattern, but I added a few stitches so it can look like it's 1 piece. That's the only thing that I can tell you that I didn't like about the pattern. Not that it's not well written, it's just that I didn't like my doily to look like it was made in 2 pieces. I made this piece and I just put this star on top of it. It still looks like that, but I know it's not because I added a few more stitches. I have 4 stitches joining in each repetition. When I make a tutorial, if you notice, I always tell you continue with the repetitions because each doily has different repetition. This one has 8. So in this repetition right here, I added 4 stitches. The pattern calls for only 2 stitches and it looked like it was a separate 2 pieces joined together by 1 little stitch. And I didn't feel right having only 1 stitch holding this part to this one. That's why I added 2 stitches right here. Other than that, I loved it. I would like to make another one in green. I hope you'll get inspired. And here is the information if you want to go on Vishiv Pasala's website on Ravelry. The name of the pattern is Aryan and you can download it for free from the designer's website. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.